Welcome to the future of learning. As the era of AI evolves, we evolve too. Fortune Cloud Technologies is now a complete package of AI integrated certification courses, which makes a student industry ready for the future. So who are we? Fortune Cloud Technologies, we were established in 2015, starting from Pune to Bangalore and now in Mumbai as well. We are a premier IT training service provider. We are connected with 5,000 plus top tier companies for our students. We are trusted by 2,000 plus students across Pan India. These are the locations, all the address you can check on our website, or you can connect with us on a call on the number that you can see on the screen. We are present on the social media as well. Fortune Cloud is a subsidiary company of Cravita, which is a leading IT company in Pune. Why to choose Fortune Cloud, isn't it? The answer is very simple. There is a huge gap between the college and the industry, and we are the bridge between this gap. Being a part of a leading IT company, we very well know what companies need today. Thus, here you get a chance to learn from industrial experts or mentors. We are on a mission to create thinkers and not just workers. And you can come in this phase by either doing online learning, offline learning, or in a blended format. You also get to work in separate lab sessions. You learn soft skills. Mock interviews are taken for your extra practice. Also, you get to work on live real-time. Let's see the programs offered by Fortune Cloud team. So we have AI-powered cyber security. Once you start your journey with us, you will undergo total 6 months of technical plus soft skill training. Once you complete training, you get a technical certification and you become eligible for interview opportunities. Most of you will get selected, but not everyone. We are very pretty clear that ability of learning is not same for everyone. Thus, if a student gets rejected in multiple interviews, it means the student is lacking. And to overcome this, you get a chance to work on live real-time project. Once you complete this project, you get 8 months of internship letter. At this point, you are technically trained, plus you have extra project internship experience, which means you are qualified to work in a reputed IT company that is 100% employability. In AI-powered cybersecurity, you will be learning in 5 phases. In the first phase, networking foundation. In the second phase, about ethical hacking, which includes tools such as TryHackle, MitraATT, Google Docking, SET Toolkit, etc., which is into red team and blue team as well. In the phase 3, SOC analyst fundamentals. Phase 4, digital forensic. Phase 5, you'll be working on project and you'll be preparing for certifications. And for your information, we are powered again with EC Council also. We are tied up with EC Council, so you can get the ethical hacking certification as well. Simultaneously, you'll be learning soft skills. This training you can do both in online, offline, or blended format. Once you complete your 60% syllabus, you become eligible for the placement. After completion of this course, you can work on either of these designations. These are just few examples. You can work as a security engineer, a chief information security officer, a cyber security consultant, or a cyber security analyst, etc. These are few success stories of our students who achieved their goals by following our extraordinary process. You could be the next one if you follow the same process. This is our office premises. We also conduct event and workshop. This is the Bangalore office. This is our development center. We are also on social medias, thus you can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter as well. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe our channel. To wind up and revise you through the whole process, what do you get when you join us? So when you join, you get an internship letter from Cravita Technologies. Once you complete the training, you get a certification from Fortune Cloud Technologies. You get unlimited interview opportunities until you are placed. You get to work on live real-time project, and when you complete the project, you get the internship completion letter as well. When you follow the whole process, you get 100% employability. Along with AI-powered cybersecurity, we also have other courses such as Edge AI full stack development, where you can do full stack in Java, Python, .NET, or software testing. We also have AI-powered MERN stack. We have Master in Cloud Architecture with AI, which is a combination of AWS and DevOps. We have Data Science and Data Analytics, also only Data Analytics. Thank you and see you soon in the campus.